Man, this lock right here. Okay, so I have opened this already. This is Leon's International Community Lock. I actually opened this lock on January 8th, if you can read my handwriting. So I opened this lock a couple of weeks ago, and I had the hardest time putting it back together. You'll see now that I did put it back together, and it works. It's key retaining. I don't think it was before, but that's okay. So in the rest of the video, you'll see me try and open this. I succeed, just so you know. The pins and the springs were a little bit grungy, so I actually cleaned up the lock quite a bit before I put it back together. But you're not going to see any of that in the video. That happened afterwards. But I spent a lot of hours trying to figure out how to put this back together. Luckily, I had a similar lock that I could kind of practice on because I didn't want to mess up Leon's lock. But when it says only gut if confident, I would trust that. If you've never taken apart a lock like this before, learn from me. Don't do it. Or I'll probably do a video, hopefully later this week, where I put this lock back together, and I'll show you how to disassemble it, put it back together. Hopefully that'll help someone else. That's why I haven't been making any videos recently. I'd come home every night and just try and figure out this lock. But I figured it out. So, enough rambling. I will be quiet and you can watch me open this. Alright guys, video attempt number 4 on this lock from Leon's Lockpad. This is his international community lock. You can see right there. He's engraved his name on it. I put little red lines. There were black lines there already. I put red lines with a gel pen that can rub off. You can see it's actually already smearing. I'll clean it up afterwards if I ever even open this lock, because this is attempt number 4. I've tried switching tension wrenches. I've tried switching profiles, using different thicknesses. I know this lock can be opened. Oh. It has a key. There's a key right there. The key works, and a number of other people have opened this. I haven't watched anyone's videos in a while that's opened it because I want to be surprised. What? Are you kidding me? What are we at? I may end up regretting this, but we're going to try that once more, because I literally spent the last half hour trying to open this lock without success. Let me make sure everything's down. That is absurd. Oh, that's... I'm at a loss for words. Half an hour of nothing. 3 different videos. Then I try once more, and it opens up in a minute. What does that even mean? Yeah, that was super lucky. Okay. On a pretty good false set. Sorry about that. My wife messaged me, wondering how this lock's treating me. Well, not very well. Then it opened all of a sudden. I probably should have kept it. I'm sure this is going to be one of those ones where you regret trying to open it a second time. Just lost my full set. Unbelievable. I don't understand. All right, well, we have it open. Now, get my extension wrench out of there. Rub off my red. You can see there's a black from someone previous. I think I figured it out. So you have to remove the shackle, which is held in by this little piece of metal right here. You remove that. That's where it connects. Then you can remove the shackle. Then this comes out, and these two things go here. This giant spring goes there with the shackle. And then you can grab a plug follower and just slide this out. Okay, I'm using a shim because I don't know what's in this lock. Okay. Man alive, this lock has more components than... there's also that thing. This lock has more components than pretty much anything I've ever worked with before. I have been paying attention though, so I will be able to reassemble it, but yikes. Alright. Normal on 1, double serration on 2, normal on 3, double serration on 4, normal on 5, normal on 6, threading on 1, 2, and 5. Maybe light threading on 6 as well. Wowee. And this is a tray by Truckmaster 30. You can see his logo there. Alright, where... Let's see, where's our shim? Remove it. Now I have a plug follower in. Okay. Number 1. Driver number 1. Doesn't want to come out to play. That's okay. We'll go to number 2 and come back for one at the end. Okay. 2 is a 2-part pin. Man, this must have either short springs or weak springs or something. Number 1 still doesn't want to come out. It's interesting. See if number 2 will drop now. Aha! Alright. Very nice. Number 3. Beautiful. Oh yeah, and the springs aren't coming out either. I wonder if this lock has been in the community for a while and it's just hasn't aged well. It's a spring for 3. We'll go back from the other side. Oh, it's a hollow one. I don't like hollow followers, but my other one's in use. That one's a little awkward to work around that. Exactly why I do not like hollow followers. Beautiful serrated in 6. The spring was like that. This is a long video, guys, and it's even longer on my end. Beautiful spool in 5. Man. Beautiful serrated. And the spring. All right. I'm curious why one won't come out. And does 2 have a spring? Yes, okay. 2 has a spring that's pretty compressed. Come on, one. Alright, guys. I don't know what to make of one. He is not dropping. Try a little bit longer, and if I can't go into dropper, it's going to leave it at that. Nope. Alright, well, that's okay. Let's see what we have in this awesome lock. Okay. The key pins, long tweezers. The key pins are fairly normal. You've got serration, all the rest are normal. Up top, number 1, I don't know what it is. Number 2 is this beautiful, this 2-part pin, which could have explained that really crazy false set. 3 is an hourglass. 4 has some really nice serrations. 5 is a very thin-waisted spool. That would explain some of the other very deep false sets. And 6 is just beautiful serrated. The springs look different, the same. I'm not actually sure. They're all dirty. I think they might be the same. Whew, that lock was kind of a monster. But I'm glad I have it open. Now I can send it on to the community. Alright, thank you for watching. Congratulations to those that have made it this far. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any suggestions on how to next time disassemble one of these locks a little easier, please let me know. I'd appreciate that. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.